I'm talking about stuff that is happening right now in the real estate business. I'm still working. I'm still busy. I got to do it while I'm driving down the road. You know, I just want to encourage you, whoever you are out there right now, rather than betting on the negativity of the market out there right now, and betting on, maybe the brokerage you're with or the people that are surrounding you right now, I want to just encourage you right now, bet on yourself. Bet on yourself. Invest in yourself. Invest in your mind. Invest in your brain. Invest in your brand. Invest in you. Invest in making yourself better. Don't worry about anyone else. Just invest, whether it's money, whether it's time, whether it's effort, whether it's certain apps that are going to help you stay focused, whatever it is, focus on upping your game constantly, every single day, never letting up on that. 1% better, 1% better, 1% better every single day. In 100 days, you're going to be 100% better. And if you just focus on that, if you just focus on increasing your ability, increasing your skill sets, learning new things, tapping into what successful people are doing. And a lot of times there's successful people out there right now that are willing to give of their time and their energy and their effort and their skill sets and help you understand what you need to get good at. There's people out there that are willing to do that. In EXP right now, we have 50 hours a week of training coming from all the successful agents in the company, training that, giving of their time. And it's there, it's accessible. There's recordings of them all. There's live trainings where you can interact. That's all going on. You don't have to travel anywhere. You don't have to pay to go somewhere. You don't have to take a day off. You just have to take the hour wherever you are to watch it. It's that simple. In addition to that, I've got courses, 25 online videos right now to teach you how to be great in real estate. I've written a book personally, got a YouTube channel, got a podcast. We do coaching every single Thursday. That's just in my little world that you can tap into as well. And I invite you to do that and take advantage of that. I just want to throw that out there. I don't talk about that much, but it is available to you and it's easy to get. And just DM me, let me know what you need. I've got a Linktree link. Just hit that. That'll take you to all the stuff that is offered. So just invest in yourself. Invest in getting better. Invest in upping your game right now. If you're not spending a whole bunch of time writing offers and dealing with deals and dealing with listings, then you need to be upping your game. You need to be focusing on your brain more than ever. More than ever. Double down on that. I just want to get you to focus on that and encourage you and believe in yourself. As you invest in yourself, you're going to believe in yourself more, and it's going to be exponential, the effect of that. And I just want to encourage you in that, do it. Focus on that. Don't get hung up on the news, the interest rates. None of that matters right now. None of that matters. It's out of our control. What we need to do is focus on, we can control getting better. We can control changing the message, adjusting the message, finding ways to help people benefit, learning about how to do that. We're talking about this stuff every single Thursday at 10 a.m. So I'd love to see you. Hit the Linktree link, sign up to get on the invite list. You'll get the invite every single week. That's it. That's the only email you're going to get. You're not going to get bothered or anything like that. You're just going to get an invite. And all you got to do is show up. It's that simple. It's free. And hey, love to see you. Take care. Bye-bye.